Okay, so we'll have a look at Parisienne Walkways by Gary Moore. There's a lead line I've got prepared here, and I've also got the chords. So we might start with the chords. If you can see here on the chart, I've got the lead line that happens here, and I've got the chords above it. So you got A minor over this part of the lead, then D minor 7, and D minor 7 over G, C major 7. And then that's the lead part that happens. So these are the same chords as what are in the verse here. So I'm going to just go over the chords and show you now. So this isn't for total beginners, more intermediate, advanced players. So A minor, and it is a 6/8. So you want to be doing 6 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you go down 4 strings, so start from the 5th string, 1, 2, 3, 4, and come back up, 5, 6, you'll realize you'll come back to the root in 6 beats. So it works out quite nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's 2 lots on these chords, most of them. So A minor gets 2 lots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so D minor 7. So I'm going to bar these 2 and place a finger up there on the 3rd string. Pick from the 4th fret, 4th string here. 2 lots on there. Then we've got a D minor over G. So D minor with a G in the root. So we know our G's up here. So we want to keep this. So instead of starting on the root of D here in the last chord, we're just going to pluck this, but then jump to the 3rd string and like that. So that'll make up the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. And then C major 7 is a C without your 1st finger. F major 7 we're going to do like this here. So from the 4th string. So B minor 7 flat 5. There's 2 ways you can do it. You can bar this 2nd fret and put this finger on the 4th string, 3rd fret. This one on the 3rd fret, but on the 2nd string, and just pick through the 4 middle strings here from the 5th string. That's your B minor 7 flat 5. Or you could do like a D minor chord here, like that, a D minor, and place this on the B here. So that sounds a bit brighter than this one. It's got the same notes in it, but it's just a different voicing of it. So E7, and then A. So it's nice, bright sounding. Then it's got a B minor over A. So you do a B minor, but you want an A in the root, so you release that 1st finger. So you put from the... It's almost like an E shape there, or an A minor shape going up. So A, sorry. And then here. And then you hit the A. Okay, I'm going to show you what that looks like on the chart. So if you can see, this A minor here has 2 lots of 6, so does this. And when you get to the B minor 7 flat 5, it just has 1 lot of 6. And the E7, 1 lot of 6. A has 1 lot of 6. B minor over A has 1 lot of 6, and A, you stop there. Okay, so I'm going to play through this kind of slow. So A minor, 1, 2, 3. Then D minor. D minor over G. C major 7. F major 7 still gets 2 lots of 6. B minor 7 flat 5 gets 1 lot of 6. Then E7. A major. B minor over A. So keeping the A in the root and then stop. Okay, I'll do a bit quicker now. So 1, 2, 3. C major 7, F major 7, B minor 7 flat 5, Okay, so that is the, like I said before, that is the chords. If you look here, A minor for 2, D minor 7, see it says in 6/8. Then you got D minor 7 over G, C major 7. But here the B minor 7 flat 5 is for 2 full bars. E7's over 2 full bars, and the A minor just stops. Okay, so let's look at the lead of the first line. I'll play it to you. So it goes, and then 50. So you can see a full bend on the 15th. What full bend means? 2 frets away, so a tone away. So if you want to reference the 17th fret on that second string, then go back to your 15th fret and you've got to bend to that sound. So you'll know if you bend too high, that's 1.5 steps away, or 2 less. Isn't quite right. So you got to go to the 17th fret bend. So I'll tell you what, let's break it down. You got these first 3 notes, 12 on the 5th string, then to the 7, and then 8 on the top string. Okay. And then your 15 full bend on that second string. And then you want to be going 15, 13, 12. And then you move up a string to the 3rd string and go 14, 12, 10. And then you hit the 12 on the 1st string. And then you do a full bend on the 13, which is on the 2nd string. So you got. Okay, so nice little thing going on there. So you got full bend on the 13th fret here, 2nd string. And then 13, 12, 10. Let's just highlight what's going on here. So on the 3rd string, you go 12. And then you hit the 10. But when you hit this 10, you got to hammer the 12 and pull it off. So that's 10, hammer 12, pull off. So. And then go down to the 9. And then you're bending the 13th fret up and down. So it's a full bend, so it's got to sound like the 15th, so you can cross-reference that. So you know you're getting your bends right. Okay, so that's 12, 10, 11, 10, 11, sorry, 10, 12, 10, hammer on, pull off, down to 9. So play that one line there. Okay, so the next line is on the 2nd string still, 10, 12, 13, and then 12. And then you're doing you can see this next bit, the 12 is tiny to the 10 and it's a slide. So really you hit that 12 and you come straight off it to the 10. So you're barely even hearing that 12. It's like nice little subtleties that make this solo nice. So, and then 3rd string, go 12, 10. And then you're going 9, 10, 9, hammer, pull off. And then you're hitting the 12th fret on the 4th string. And then you're bending the 12 up and down, so it's a half bend. So you're here on the 12th fret. It's got to sound like the 13th fret, because a half means 1 fret away. And bring it back down. If you go too much, sounds out of key. So this is 10. So a little half bend there on that 12. And the last bit of this is we're going to bend the 10 as a full bend. So it's got to sound like the 12. So make sure that sounds like the 12th fret. And then to the 10. And then you're going to play the 9 and then slide it. You're not going to go like a quick one like before. You're going to hear the 9 and then slide it to 6. So that goes like. So instead of going, it wants you to just go. Okay. And the last bit, you go to the third string and you do the same with the sliding. You go 9. So rather than going Figaro, 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 don't know why I did that. 9, 7, 5. So just keeping the pressure down. Okay, let's see if I can play it all the way through. See if I can read it. I've only just learned this myself, so bear with me. So 12, 7, 8, So some nice subtle things there with the sliding. I bent that 12 too high then. It didn't sound in key. It's got to be half bent. Nice and gentle little bend on this little 12. Okay, hope that helps. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.